Hey, what's up guys? My name is TechWorld and welcome to my first ever Android mobile tutorial. Today I'm going to be telling you guys how to simply root your Android device like really easily without a computer, without anything, just an Android phone. So the first thing which you want to do is go to Google or whatever browser. I'm going to be using Google Chrome, and then go onto the search and type king root / down, like so, and then just click on it, and then it should read the just type in king root. So you just type in king root and then it'll come up with various sort of options. This is an actual Japanese site, so you don't have to translate it, but you can if you want to. So it might take some time to load, and it'll come up. Once it's loaded, just wait for it to load. It says this page is in Chinese. Hannes, would you like to translate it to English? Just click nope, because it's really simple and you don't really need to translate it and stuff. So once it's all loaded in and stuff, so you can see this is the web page. All you have to do is, on the top it just says king root and then king, and then go to the second one where it says king. Just click on that, and then it'll take you to www.kingroot.net/down, and then you got various sort of ones to download. What you want to download is the one on the bottom, king user, and then just download it. And then it says this type of file can harm your device. Do you want to keep? Yes. Just click OK, and then it's downloading. You will see it in your sort of notification bar as it goes there. So once it's finished downloading, it may take a minute or so, so be patient. Click on it, and then it should take you to the sort of install an application sort of thing. Just click next, 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 and then install. So it'll take about 5 to 10 seconds, or maybe even 15-20 seconds to install. And then so just click I understand and still want to install it, and then install it anyway. So then once you have installed it, it should come up like this: application installed. Click done, and then it should take you back to your browser. Go onto your home, so your home sort of thing. I'm actually using a launcher for this, so go into your app drawer, and then it should say king user. You don't have to drag it to your page, but you can if you want to. Just click on king user, and then this will just take its time to load. And then once it says on the top get root, you just have to click it, and I've already got it, so it should say successfully obtain root. So you got the uninstall tool if you want to uninstall any pre-installed applications or anything like that. So say I want to uninstall MyEE, so it's really easy to uninstall. It does take, you can see you got all of the system applications. So if I wanted to uninstall, let's see what we can uninstall that we don't really need. You don't want to uninstall the launcher. I recommend keeping all of the apps which you think are going to be sort of handy. What notification did we get? There we go, just a message. So yeah, say if we wanted, so some applications you can't remove, so like calculator you can't remove, Chrome you can't unremove, which kind of surprises me as well. So the contacts you can't remove, gallery you can't remove, all of them apps. So yeah, what you want to do is scroll all the way up, find something. I'm actually going to uninstall Office Suite, so let me just prove to you guys that I've got Office Suite installed to me onto my thing. There it is, Office Suite next to people. Then I'm going to go to king user and then uninstall it. Uninstall. I can recover this from the Play Store, but I don't think I really want to, so it'll take time to uninstall, and then it'll say finished. Go back home, go to the apps, and then it's still there for some reason, but that's kind of like a bug or something. but probably because I'm using launcher. But if you're not using launcher, then it will work. I'm actually going to show you an app which lets you uninstall stuff. So just go to the Play Store, and then once the Play Store has loaded, it may take time to load on some Android devices or things like that because you're using a thingy. So this is what I'm actually using to record Mobizen. So what you want to do is just go to the store home, and then once it's loaded in, you want to go onto the sort of search and then type in uninstall apps, and then the best one is System App Remover, and then it requires root, but you can see from some of the screenshots, you can see you can uninstall, and it does give you things which you can remove and which you can't remove, so like playbooks, etc, 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 so stuff like that. So yeah, that's going to probably do it for this episode of Android app reviews and Android tutorials. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you want to see more tutorials, and yeah, I'll see you in the next tutorial video.